afternoon, girls. Today we'll discuss about types of elasticity. So when we speak about types of elasticity, we will discuss two types of elasticity in this. The first one is income elasticity and the second one is cross elasticity of demand. So, and one we have already discussed, which is price elasticity of demand. Now, when we speak about income elasticity of demand, what does it mean? It means how much quantity demanded responds to the change in consumer income. Okay, and when we write the formula for it, the formula says percentage change in quantity demanded by percentage change in income. In other words, it refers to the different quantities of commodities or services which consumers will buy at different levels of income, other things remaining same. It also expresses the relationship between income and quantity demanded. So that is about income elasticity. Now, depending upon the type of product a consumer is consuming, income elasticity changes. Now, let us discuss about that. So, under types of elasticity and under income elasticity, we have actually divided income elasticity according to the type of good a consumer is consuming. So, one type of good is normal good and the other type is inferior good. Under normal good, one thing that should be remembered is that in case of normal good, क्या उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होती है कि अगर इनकम इंक्रीज़ हो रही है तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड भी इंक्रीज़ होगी. Okay, so in case of normal good, this is a characteristic of normal good which says that if income of a consumer is increasing, then quantity demanded of normal good will increase. Okay, now normal good are of two types: normal necessities and normal luxuries. Now, when we talk about normal necessity, okay, and normal luxury, both have a positive income elasticity, meaning that for both the cases, when the income will increase, quantity demanded of necessity will also increase and luxuries will also increase. But there is a little difference between necessities and luxuries, which we will discuss right now. So in case of normal necessities, they have positive income elasticity, but that elasticity is low. That means they are income inelastic, meaning when income changes, there is a change in quantity demanded of these goods, but the change is not very high. Okay, so income elasticity in case of normal necessities is not very high. That is why we call it income inelastic. Okay, though it is positive, that is income elasticity, YED, income elasticity is greater than 0, but for normal necessities it is income inelastic. While when we talk about normal luxuries, in that case they have high income elasticity and also they are positive like necessities, but the demand for normal necessity is elastic. Okay, so it is income elastic, or relatively it is elastic, right? So these products have a high and positive income elasticity. Typically these are high end products considered as luxury by relevant group of consumers. Now here one thing has to be understood, that whenever we are speaking about a necessity or a luxury, it depends upon the consumer's circumstance. Okay, for a poor person, luxury could be going to a very good restaurant and having full course meal, while for a very rich person, a necessity could be traveling in a BMW. So depending upon a person, depending upon um, consumer, the meaning of luxury and the meaning of necessity changes, the products changes. Okay, but when the word necessity is used, it means that it will be income inelastic, though it will be positive. elasticity of income will be positive, but it will be income inelastic, meaning that if income changes, the quantity demanded of those type of products, that is normal necessities, will not change a lot. But when we talk about normal luxuries, in that case, whenever income changes, there is a or large quantity of change in income, in quantity demanded. Okay, so that is normal necessities and normal luxuries. Next is inferior goods. Now in case of inferior goods, as we all by now should know, that how do we characterize an inferior good? Whenever income increase, quantity demanded of these goods fall down. Okay, so they will always have a negative income elasticity. Next is cross elasticity of demand. So cross elasticity is related to related goods. Okay, so there are two types of related goods: substitutes and complements. So, and how do we define it? So, change in quantity demanded of one good in response to change in price of another good. That is cross elasticity of demand. Okay, what is the formula for it? Percentage change in quantity demanded of good B by percentage change in price of good A. ठीक है, तो मतलब क्या है इसका कि अगर एक प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस इंक्रीज़ हो रहा है या डिक्रीज़ हो रहा है या फिर चेंज हो रहा है, तो फिर दूसरे प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड पर क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा. ठीक है, अब जैसे सब्सटीट्यूट्स है, तो सब्सटीट्यूट्स का हमेशा क्या होगा, दे विल हैव अ पॉजिटिव क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी. वाई? क्योंकि अगर प्राइस एक प्रोडक्ट का इंक्रीज़ होगा तो उसी प्रोडक्ट की क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड तो फॉल हो जाएगी, लेकिन जो सब्सटीट्यूट है उसका, जो दूसरा प्रोडक्ट है, उसकी क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगी. जैसे कि अगर हम बात करें टी एंड कॉफ़ी की, सपोज़ करो टी का प्राइस इंक्रीज़ हो गया, तो टी का क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड फॉल हो जाएगा, लेकिन कॉफ़ी का क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड इंक्रीज़ हो जाएगा, है ना, क्योंकि लोग स्विच कर लेंगे फ्रॉम टी टू कॉफ़ी. Okay, so this is what it means, that substitutes have positive cross elasticity while complements have negative cross elasticity. क्यों? क्योंकि complement साथ में यूज़ होते हैं, right? For example, आपका पेट्रोल एंड अ कार और डीजल एंड अ कार, है ना, तो they will always have a negative cross elasticity. Okay, so that is all for today. If you have any problem, you can ask. And thank you so much.